Students, BT cotton is a genetically modified organism cotton variety which produces an insecticide to bollworm. BT cotton is created by using some strain of bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis, which is called as BT in short name. The bacterium produces proteins that kills certain insects such as lepidopterans, example tobacco budworm and armyworm, coleopterans and beetles and diphtherians, flies and mosquitoes. BT forms protein crystals during the particular phase of growth. Particular phase of growth. These crystals contains a toxic insecticidal proteins. The toxin proteins exist in inactive protoxins. But once in insects ingest the inactive toxin, it is converted into an active form of toxin due to alkaline pH of the gut, which solubilize the crystals. The activated toxin binds to the surface of mid-gut epithelial cells and created pores that causes cell swelling and lysis leading to death of an insect. The specific BT toxin gene were isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis and incorporated into several crop plants. Most BT toxins are insect group specific. Hence, the toxin is coded by gene named CRY. For example, the proteins encoded by the gene CRY1AC and CRY2AB control the cotton bollworms. CRY1AB controls the corn borer. ఈ పత్తి పంటకు ఎక్కువగా వచ్చేటువంటి కాండం తూల్చే పురుగు, గులాబీ పురుగుకు బీటీ కాటన్ అండ్ బోజార్, బీటీ బ్రింజాల్ ఇవి రెండు కూడాను మనకు యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు. దెన్ ఐ విల్ షో ద ఫొటోస్. యూ సీ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, ద పెస్ట్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ప్లాంట్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ applications of biotechnology. Pest resistance plants are developed by using biotechnology process. A nematode parasite called Meloidigyne incognitia. This is 2 marks, very important. Nematode avu chindindi. A nematode parasite called Meloidigyne incognitia infects the root tobacco plants, which reduces the production of tobacco. To prevent the infection, a process called RNA interference was adopted. This RNAi is method of cellular defense which prevents a specific mRNA to translate as a slicing antar. Using agrobacterium tumefaciensis. So, using agrobacterium vectors, nematode specified gene were introduced into the host, that is tobacco plant. Now this host plant is a transgenic plant. With the introduction of DNA, both sense and antisense RNA were produced in the host cells. With the nematode of DNA, again, both sense and antisense RNA were produced in the host cells. These two RNA are complementary to each other and form a double strand RNA. It initiates RNAi. So, we already learn about a specific RNA translate anamata. Initiate RNAi sliced and specific mRNA to translate. Under these circumstances, the parasite could not survive in the transgenic plants. Therefore, the transgenic plant got protected from the parasite. So, these are the two important questions, 4 marks questions. Now I am sending the photos of 2 marks in this lesson.